river
I wanna
in
wake up
Kikuyu.
with you in
A
the
river
morning. Say what you wanna
called
say to me now.
Roe,
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
The second
We can do nothing.
is the sea. We have several seas in the world. So, how do we call a sea in Kikuyu? A sea is called iria. 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 Iria rea Mobatha. Indian Ocean. Maybe. That's just an example. You can say Iria rea Mobatha. Iria. Iria is a sea or an ocean. Number 3. The third one is a dam. We have several dams in the country or in the world. We have man-made dams. We have natural dams. So how do we call a dam in Kikuyu? A dam is called demu. Demu. That's a dam. A dam is called demu. Now, the fourth one in my list today, the fourth natural feature that we are going to learn is mountains. How do we call mountains in Kikuyu? A mountain is called Kirima. Kirima. Kirima is a mountain. When there are many, they are called mountains. How do we call mountains in Kikuyu? Irema. 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 Irema are mountains. Irema are mountains. Now, the fifth in my list is a forest. A forest is called Mutitū. Mutitū. That's a forest. A forest, Mutitū. Mutitū, a forest. Now, the sixth in my list and the last one is wild animals. How do we call wild animals in Kikuyu? They are called Nyamu. 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 Nyamu are wild animals. Now, ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for joining me and thank you so much for watching. That brings me to the end.
You just know how it feels when we're falling.